Look that little sweetheart.
Yeah,
Say hi.
Posterity.
Say hi. There's the cuties.
Well, we're glad everybody was able to come out for our last night in New Jersey.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Don't fly away, buddy.
He said, I'm trying. I want to be a pilot like Daddy. I'm flying. Yeah, I'm flying, Abigail.
She's like, there won't be any pilots in 20 years.
Yeah, she loved it. So I'll be sitting in my living room.
Every journey starts with a single step. And here's our first step on the road. First stop, Gettysburg.
Goodbye, New Jersey.
As you just saw, we rolled into Gettysburg. First stop was at our resort, Gettysburg Battlefield Resort. This is a campground which was absolutely phenomenal for our first week away from all of the events that happened last week with the retirement and graduation and having all kinds of people coming in to visit. So now that we've said goodbye and moved on, we get a little bit of rest and relaxation, and then we get to roll out and explore around the Gettysburg area.
Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Hello. Hello.
Hi, you're a cutie.
You should have fun in Australia. Australia. That's where they need to be. Hi, beautiful. Oh, yeah, we're going to have to go. The boys might enjoy that. Oh,
A lot of birds there. Did you see Chesapeake? over there?
Yes, I did. Oh, she is sweet. Bless her heart.
Where's your sanctuary again?
North Hanover Mall.
Here in Pennsylvania.
In Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Okay. Gettysburg is not a normal national park. It's actually a national military park. But if you go and check out their website, you can see that there's all kinds of things to do in the area, not just inside the park itself. But there are multiple ways to explore that area, not only by car. If you go and see the website, you can see that there are multiple bike paths that surround the entire area, all kinds of running and walking paths. You can tour it by car, which is what we did and what you're getting ready to see. And if you want to, you can even tour it by horse. Regardless of how you decide to tour around Gettysburg, whether it's inside the park or actually going through the town, you're going to see the remnants of everything that happened during that time that are still there today. So all of the monuments are still on site and easily able to be seen and toured. And stopping into the visitor center first will definitely set you up for success for that. So not only can you pick up the maps, which can guide you around the different viewpoints throughout the national park, you can also pick up other guidebooks which are complete with driving tours, as well as books that support your learning along the way. Or you can just go to the App Store and download the app, and that'll probably give you the same type of information. We saw all kinds of awesome little things, and we ended up being able to get out and see where the battles for Little and Big Round Top occurred, and have a great view of all that entire area to where that battle actually happened. Inside the visitor center itself, there's actually an amazing diorama of the days of the battle's occurrence, and you can actually track everything that happened in that town that involved both sides of the battle between the Confederates and the Union. After having an amazing time here, it was actually time to say goodbye to Frank and Ginger as they hit the road back to Oklahoma, and Declan actually goes with them and takes his car back. So we're going to miss him for a couple of weeks before we catch up to him again. But as far as Garrett, Tina, Bindi, and I, we're heading north. And we'll catch you next week as we head to Lancaster to go through Amish country and then start going into upstate New York.